are awesome. I'm trying to knock down the target with the desert. We may jump back up here. Okay.
This is a Kalingaw. Wedding capital. Yeah. At sa yung lugar kasi
Reloading.
1900 attack. So, dinigyan ko president natin nandun. Kapitan for 73 days. So,
Reloading.
Kasi talagang bibili ka talaga ng fabric ng tela.
weaving yun.
Oo. At saka may pamilya yun, di ba? Parang sinasali na sa mga bawat.
Usually, I have been playing this game for over a year. So, if you're new here, welcome. This is my domain for today. You can also check maybe you also check my video.
Kaya dito pumunta na siya ng
Kaya recently ko naman
ako ang sina. Hindi. Mainit talaga ngayon, di ba? Ang heat index sa Maynila. Kasi gabi Kasi
Stay hydrated sa mga panahong ito.
di ba? Kaya di ba water
let me make a private server.
Iba yung dating sa'yo. Pero may followers na kayo eh.
Not community.
Ikaw.
I think I'm
Bakit sa naka-leather shoe? Ang dami mo ipinaalam sa amin. Maraming salamat sa mga karagdagang kaalaman na binigay mo sa amin.
Yes po.
Eto, dito marami ka rin malalaman sa kanila.
Alamin na natin ang
okay. Let me make
Tanungin muna natin since 40 mo to,
private server.
yung mga gantong
So no one will be
na-appreciate ko
annoyed.
yung rockstar placement niya, talagang, and yung mga nuances, talagang yung mga classic rockstar. Pero I was
Oh my
just waiting it
God.
na lumaki yung magnitude ng song pumantay sa performance niya. And in general, for the past two contestants po, parang hindi ko marinig yung grit na gusto talaga nilang
Since I cannot make private server,
lang ng something better.
So, hinintay mo rin ba yung ano?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Highlight.
Ako, I'm just happy that he felt comfortable in the song. That
Comfortable?
He was enjoying himself. It was enough to infect the room. I think everyone in the room was rooting for him because he was genuinely enjoying himself on that stage. He looks good, representing pa, di ba? And yun na nga, but they're right. Tama po kayo na if he needs to win this, he needs to elevate and find the moments in the song na ako na niya yung message, tawirin na niya yung message. Hindi lang kakanta tayo dito kanya. Hindi. Dapat mas malaki na yung stakes.
I agree with you, Ashley Ono. I'm happy he was relaxed. Focus on singing, but with this kind of song and focus piece, for you to be able to dapat ito ay it comes with needed kung nagawa
Sorry, but I cannot do it if I'm not in the lobby, I cannot do it.
Ito na.
Yan!
Malalaki na yan, ha?
Dagaan mo na! Huwag ka na magtulo! Ang mga na! Mag-set yan din! Set yan din! Pero wala ka mamili! Wala na akong maano! Kuhaan magsulat! Huwag kang... Sabi ko isa lang yung susulatin ko na